Ratio dispense test process. In this video, we will discuss two different calibration processes. We will start with a ratio dispense process. Before starting the calibration process, ensure that the concentrate is loaded properly into the dispense station. Let's begin with removing the drip tray and splash panel to access the program switch. Now that you have located the program switch, place the switch in the on position. The water flow rate of the nitron cold draft countertop dispenser should be factory preset to 133 milliliters per 3-second dispense. To verify, place a graduated measuring cylinder under the dispense nozzle, pull and release the tapper handle 3 times. The dispenser will then dispense an amount of water for 3 seconds. To adjust the water flow, turn the adjustment needle valve through the dispense deck for which dispense station that needs the adjustment. Turning the needle clockwise decreases flow, and turning the needle counterclockwise will increase the flow. Make sure to record the water output setting on each dispense head. Once you've confirmed the water output, pull and release the tapper handle 6 more times. The dispenser will then dispense an amount of concentrate for 3 seconds. To ensure best results, discard the first 2 samples before recording. After you've discarded the first 2 samples, record the total ounces dispensed. Ensure to measure in milliliters for accurate measurements. Refer to the ratio chart to confirm proper volumes for desired ratios. The concentrate amounts for each ratio are highlighted in yellow under the ratio number. Brix dispense test process. We will now go over the brix dispense test process. To begin, make sure the concentrate is loaded into the dispense station. When you obtain the proper brix target, you may turn on the nitrogen gas supply by opening the valve on the tank. The nitrogen supply pressure to the machine should maintain at 125 psig plus or minus 10 psig. If the regulator has a shutoff valve, move the regulator's valve handle to the open position so that the handle is parallel to the gas supply line. With the gas supply ready, dispense a drink on the left side dispense station to prime nitrogen and concentrate into the system. Continue dispensing until you have a typical cup size filled with the drink. You may discard of this drink. Dispense a new sample and measure the brix using a refractometer. You should allow this sample with nitrogen to settle out before taking a measurement for best results. You may need to increase or decrease the product output. To do this, adjust the pump speed to achieve the desired brix target of the product. The first dial, the leftmost potentiometer on the board, will adjust pump speed for the left dispense station. The second dial from the left will adjust pump speed for the right dispense station. You should start with the pump dial set to the 9 o'clock position. Dispense a 12-ounce drink and let the foam in the drink settle. If necessary, recheck the brix reading and adjust it by turning the product dial. With these processes complete, the nitron cold draft countertop dispenser should be successfully calibrated.